morning, traders and traders. Y'all know it's dreycosting. Welcome back to another evening. Today is the 24th of October 2023. All right, so let's look at the vibes. So yesterday, we were here at this higher high, and I said that we want to play to come back here. Right, retest create a higher low on the trend line to continue up. All right. So naturally, you realize that support did not hold. Right, support did not hold. And once again, I must say, you need to follow me on YouTube, turn on the notification, follow me on social media, Threads, Involia app, Instagram, so on, because whenever there is a major change within the markup, right, I send these notifications out on social media. So if you're not following me on social media, you need to, right? So don't get upset if you didn't call the change. Right? So this morning I called out the change on social media that we're not going to take this here as support. So the reason why we're not taking this as support when it came back is because this is not how support is created. Yes, you might have a bearish candle closure and a bullish candle closure right here. Let us use the replay. Yes, you have this type of closure, but I did not take this entry when it came back to the trend line. Reason being, it did not have any bottom wicks, right? So it did not have any bottom wicks, right? So when you want closure support, we want bottom wicks like this. Bearish candle closure, bullish candle closure with bottom wicks. This will show that sellers were trying to push price down and buyers came in control, right? So whenever we don't have these type of bottom wick movement, it's showing rejection of the support level to show that support is holding. We're not going to take the trade, right? So no bottom wick rejections here, right? So you have all of these rejections here to show that support is holding, right? We did have that form of rejection right here. So you have to listen to me carefully. You have to follow the instructions properly down to the T and dot the I's, right? They cannot leave out any of these points, right? So that's why I did the trade this morning, and I realized it broke through support. And as I said to you, we always have the second option, which is that once it breaks through support here, all we're going to do now is just wait for a retest right here, create a lower high, confirm the basic that's trading for a downtrend, to continue down, right? So that's what we're looking for. All right. So the entry point that we're going to look right now is try to come here, right? All right, follow me again now. Listen now, right? Whenever price retrace up to here, you must wait on resistance to form, right? Want a bullish candle closure and a bearish candle closure. How does resistance form? Right? A body like this, and we have rejections at the top, right? Body like this, rejections at the top. So if you're not seeing rejections at the top right here when resistance is forming, then you should not take the trade, right? Follow the rules. You have to follow the rules. Rules are there for a reason. All right. So that is how trading goes, right? Once you can follow rules, you'll be okay. So now that we have that broken right there, this is a 100% retracement. So let's go this way. We'll just go in with the swings of the market, right? All right, so initially we're breaking out to the wedge to go up, right? But look at this right here, right? It's like a double top movement right here of the higher time frame. I don't need to go to the higher time frame to see that, right? So this is a double top movement, right? Of the higher time frame, right? It's a double top movement, right? If I'm supposed to go to the higher time frame, I don't need to go to the higher time frame to see that. So this is a double top movement. It's a reversal pattern, all right? So once I picked up that, or it's a possibility that this thing don't want to go up, right? So this thing don't want to go up, we'll just go with the flow of the market, right? So that is why I love trading on this time frame, not looking at the larger time frame, because I can just see several moves on this one little time frame. You get me? So you want price to retrace here, form resistance, and then to continue down. All right, simple as that. But let's be wise now. The same thing again. If price comes here, all right, and resistance is broken, all you gotta do is just wait for retracement, create a higher low, confirm the basic trend for uptrend, and then just continue up. But at this moment, market structure is showing us that it wants to go down, so we're just gonna chill and wait to see if we get confirmation for resistance. That's all we do. A lot of people might say, "Oh, you missed all of this coming down." What's it? Yeah, but guess what? I have to follow my rules. But I am contemplating to add this type of entry in my arsenal, right? Whenever price creates support and then breaks it, right? So I'm gonna do a little bit more back testing it and to see how I can add it in my arsenal. You know what I mean? It would be nice to have some additional weapon in the arsenal. The same thing like if price came to create resistance and then it break it, right? It would be nice to have some of that. So I'm gonna do some more testing on that. But right now, we're just sticking with the simple bread and butter, right? Higher highs and higher lows and all of that. So just waiting for retracement here to continue. Basically, that's it. You know, I mean, just really keeping it simple and spicy, right? You can set an alarm here. So let's take off the levels for you, right? You can set up an alarm here at 182,668, 182,668. You can set an alarm right there at 182,668. So whenever price come back to that level, right, you can know that you can wait and to see what the price action is going to be around here. So this is just a simple movement that we're waiting for, guys. Don't try to sell like coming down like this. Don't do that, because this is an impulse. It's a major impulse. And whenever price is making a strong, we can just retrace at any time. Just look at this. What is the probability? This is as around 160. What's the probability of prices continuing down like that without easing up a bit, without relaxing? You get me? The probability is lower. Yeah. So just wait. So just wait on price to retrace back to trend, see how it reacts around the trend, and then you look for your trade. All right. If you have any questions, y'all know the vibe. Message me on any social media. Comment in the comment section. All right. Send your chart links, and we'll be there to help each and everyone. Until tomorrow, straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.